What is up everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I've got something to install for my car and that is just over there behind me. But yeah, I'm going to install it and I can't wait to put it on my car because it's going to look so good. And yeah, let's get into the video. Oi! So I've been waiting for this for a while now, and I was just on holiday in Sydney and I just got back yesterday and I went and picked up this from the post office and I didn't realize how big the box was going to be. That is my new headlights for my WRX, and on top of it, that little parcel is my new xenon HID bulbs because one of mine is blown and I need new ones, so I'm doing those as well. But anyway, let's try and make this video not too long. I'm going to get into unboxing this and I'm so keen to see what they look like. We'll open the bulbs up first because I want to save the best till last. So I'm going to move this to the side and let's open up these. Sweet as. Alright, I'll show you guys these. Alright, these are my new globes because my car is the premium version of the WRX 2011. It came with HID xenon globes from the factory, not the halogen. So I bought these from, I don't know if I can say it right, Brawmac or Brawmark. I don't know. I'll leave their globes in the description if any of you are looking to buy some in Australia. I think they sell them out of Australia. I'm not sure. Don't hold me to that. But they're in the description if you guys want them. As you can see, they're just in there. You get two of them. And they were around $80, $86. So it's not cheap, but they are worth it because they are really good quality. And now onto my favorite part, unboxing these sexy headlights. Right, start with the top, open this bad boy up. Wow. So there's a lot of foam in here. I guess that's why it's so big. I mean, I guess you don't want your headlights to break. Oh, there's one of them. Fuck, that looks so sick. There's one of them. If you don't know, these are the C lights from CT Auto Parts in Australia. I've wanted these for so long. It's got the LED C right there. These just look so good on any Gen 3 and it fully transforms the car. So I cannot wait to put these on. It's going to look so good and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Wow, this is very much packed in there. There is the first headlight. That is so good. Let me put that to the side and I'll get out the other one. Thank you. That was taking way too long. And here's the second headlight. That's the rest of the box. There's nothing else in there. I guess that's why it was so big, because I had two sets of foam right there and foam all around the headlights, because the last thing you want is for your headlights to be smashed up and broken. Look at my cat's tail. Gotcha! Okay, I'm just gonna get this cleaned up and then I'm gonna get ready for the install. So I'm gonna use my magic and abracadabra. Alright everyone, got them in the garage. I'm going to be working in my garage today. What you do need to do is take off the front bumper, which I wish you didn't have to do, but you do. And there's a lot of little clips around it, so I will take that off. I'm going to put some towels under here just to rest the bumper on. And yeah, let's just get into it because I want to get this done as soon as possible. So yeah, let's take off this front bumper. So I'm missing one here, which is not good, but there's clips on either side there. I think there's some in there. There are some at the top here and underneath, and the same for this side. Right there and underneath here. And I actually forgot, you need to pop your hood first. And just to show you guys, these are the old headlights. They aren't too bad, but mine were really foggy and I tried to restore them, but I didn't do that good of a job and they turned out pretty hazy, so that's why I bought these, because look how clear they are compared to that. And overall these just look a ton better. Alright, these were the other clips you need to take off. You don't have to worry about the grill, it's just the bits there. So I'm just using a little flathead screwdriver to get in under there, and then I've got 10mm, 8mm thing, a screwdriver to get all the other little screws off. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to skip me taking off the clips because it's just an annoying process and I'm having trouble getting them off. So just for now I've gotten the 3 from the fender well and the 2 from underneath the bumper right here. So yeah, you just do that on either side and then do the rest up top and down below, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm getting the bumper off. Alright, I think the bumper is all disconnected. I'm just about to pull it off. I don't think I actually had any clips underneath, which is not good, but oh well, she sits fine. I've taken off all these. I took off the ones on that side, and I'm just gonna try and pull it off and see if it comes off. Okay, I forgot. I think you also have to take these washer caps off. Alright, they're off. And now let's try and get the bumper off again. Oops. Bumper is off. What you need to do is disconnect your fog lights. And I just realized my left fog light never worked. And I just checked. And that's because it was never plugged in. Are you serious? Well, that solves that. But yeah, let's just remove the fog lights and get this bumper fully off. Alright guys, bumper's off. Fog light was removed. This is bullshit, that was already removed. I need to plug that back in, hopefully it works. But yeah, bumper's off. Now let's get started with the main part of this video, the headlights. Alright, now that the bumper's off, we've got to get to all the bolts. So there's some there, here, there's a clip there, some more bolts there. Just whatever the bolts you can find that are holding this in, you got to take them out. So I'm gonna get back to you guys once the headlight is out. And there we go. You have to take out this and this. That was in the back. This was so annoying to get out. And then there was a little clip as well holding in the headlight, so I'd be wary of that. That was so annoying. Took me way too long. But now it's time to transfer everything from the old headlight back here to the new one. The first thing we're going to do is twist this cap off. There we go. This is the igniter piece, and we got to take off this little screw here that's holding this little wire in, and this here connects down to the bottom bit that we need to take off after. So let's get this off first. Now the igniter bit here should just be able to twist like that, and it should just come out like this. And then what we're going to do is flip this over and take out these screws here. And this should just pop out. There we go. Alright, so next thing is we're going to take out this screw, which will then give us this little metal frame right here. And you should be able to pull out this. And that lets us feed this igniter through down through that hole and out the bottom. Alright, then you're going to want to take out this little clamp in there, which will give you the bulb, which I need to now replace because this one is blown, and I'm just going to replace both of them. So this here is going to be swapped with my new one for later. Alright, so what you want to do is then grab your flathead screwdriver, and then this little bit right here, there's a long screw in there. You're going to want to undo that, and it will then release this and release everything so you can start to pull it out. I'll show you guys in a sec. You can pull it like this, like that, and then you can start to see when you pull it, it's pulling everything else. which is loosening it, but there is the long screw in there, and you need to keep twisting it because you got to get it out. There we go guys, after a while I finally got that out, and for now we are done with the old headlight and we're just going to go and grab the new one. That is beautiful. There's the shitty old one. Alright, so the new headlight, just flip it around and we're going to first take off this cap here. So there's 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So take that off. Alright guys, once you have these screws off, you're going to want to twist this back cap and that will come off. And it's kind of the same as before. You got the spring and the place to put your bulb. So right now I'm not putting in my old bulb. That is going in the bin, and I'm going to go grab my new HID xenon bulbs. I've got my xenon bulbs here, my new bulbs, and I just lifted up this clamp here, this little metal clamp, and I'm going to put in the new headlight. Alright guys, new bulb is in. It fits nice and snug and perfectly. There's no moving or anything, just clamps are all nice and snug. Alright, so you grab this and the igniter that you had from your old headlight, you unplug it from there, and we're gonna want to feed it through here, but the problem is there's not enough room in these headlights, so we have to unscrew this and unclip that so we can feed it in without this thing on there. Alright, we're now going to slide this through this little hole here and bring it out the bottom there. There we go. Just like that. And then grab this from before, and you're going to want to plug this back in there and retighten that screw that we took off earlier. And then what we're going to do is put this back on here and tighten down the screws. Okay everyone, with that screwed in, just going to flip it back down again, and we're going to want to install our igniter back in. Alright, so you're meant to put the earth connection on there, but for some reason I don't have one, I don't know why. So I just put some wire on there and attach it to this clip. Now you're going to grab your cap and put it back on here. Alright everyone, we're going to put the AFS motor back in here. So this is when you're going to need your 8mm socket to undo this bolt. Alright, that was in there. You take that out and you grab the old one. Okay, the motor is back in that little thing. Now we want to get the bracket from the old headlight down the bottom and mount it to the new one. So it's just got 3, 1, 2 and 3, so we just take those off. Take that off and it's ready to go on the new one. Alright guys, there we have it. Mounting brackets on, everything is back. It's time to put it on the car. Oh, this is scary. Okay guys, the headlight is bolted in and is looking great. I just need to wire up this again and we should be done for this side. I'm a bit disappointed because there's as you can see right there, that's a scratch on the inside of the headlight, as well as some weird dust stuff in there. But overall it's pretty good. A few things down there as well, kind of sucks, but that's okay. At least it looks 100% better than my old ones. The headlights look absolutely awesome. So there's just the one I've done. I'm about to do the other one, but just look at that comparison. I mean, that was before and that's after. So I will show you guys when this headlight is done. I really don't want to have to go and do that whole thing again, but it's going to be worth it. So lucky for you guys, it's going to be quick. So I'll see you guys in a sec. And there we go guys. That's both headlights on. Looking so good. Just got to get the bumper on and then we're all done. I would have been done a while ago, but I literally put the bumper on and put the clips back in, but I realized I didn't do something on the back of the headlight, so I had to take it all off. But it's all back on, clips are in, everything. Just need to put in these last little washers. Bumper's good. and I'll show you guys what the lights look like. Alright, they're back in. Let's put down the hood. Oh my gosh. And there it is. I can't believe how good that looks. Alright, I'll turn them on and show you guys. That's not funny at all. This is the low beam. That was the park lights, low beam, high beams, and these are my indicators. My favorite by far has got to be these LED Cs. That is insanely sick. That looks awesome in my opinion, and I can't wait to go show my friends because I'm going to hang out with them soon. It completely changes the look of your car. If you guys have a Gen 3 like this and are wanting to change the look of your car, I very, very much encourage you to buy these headlights. They are awesome. They look so good. I'm actually very proud of myself for doing that today by myself. It took me all day. I started at 9 in the morning, 9:30, and it's 4 o'clock. Oh, don't judge me guys, at least it's done. Anyways, that's going to be the end of the video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Big shout out to CT Auto Parts for the headlights, and big shout out to Locke on YouTube because I watched his tutorial and followed it step by step, and it was really handy, really easy to follow, and I ended up doing it all by myself. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. Like and subscribe, comment, share, all of that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.